Rise and Grind, back at you with another video with the Pull-Up King. In this video we got a 2013 Ford F150. And it is a 3.5 V6, and we're doing the spark plugs on it. Got a misfire, and we're doing the coil boots. I'll show you how we're gonna do that. Let's get it.
We have emotion, nigga. We have emotion, we have emotion. Yeah.
Hit with another one.
We have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma ride for this, I'ma grind for this, I did time for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. Cause we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma grind for this, I did time for this, I'ma shine for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. We have emotion, I swear I ain't bragging and boasting. On that leaning, that's why I ain't focused.
This is what they were going to charge them. Total. That is crazy. Jim Ellis. Roswell, Sandy Springs. Alright, you want to remove your oil cap. Pull up on this. Just pull it right out. Look right here on the side. This is a driver's side. Take that off. And we have our coils. 1, 2, 3. Held in by 8mm socket. We'll take that off. 2 and 3. Alright, so we're gonna get those off. Alright, we had to remove this hose here. We just push back on that tab, pull up, and that'll release. Push back on this tab, and we can get that off. But since I was able to get that coil out with no problem, leave that to the side. But that is how you take the coil off. Take this off, this little sensor connector. That's in the way of that coil coming out. Alright, that's all 3 on the driver. And that's all 3 on the passenger. Alright, we're gonna get a 5/8 socket. Get this extension. And a ratchet. And we're gonna break the spark plugs free. Alright, so what I do next is get the spark plugs out, get a magnet. That's if you don't have the rubber little piece inside that socket. Alright, that's the 3 on the driver. Get these 3. Alright, that's all 6 of them. Going in with the Motorcraft. Nothing but Motorcraft going forward. I don't put nothing else in there. That's what I was always told. What's the part number? Alright, we got our plugs out. Brand new ones. We want to put some anti-seize on them. Get that going on the threads. Alright, so this is what we got. You want to get you some pliers and pull those off. I use my channel locks. And you can see how they break when you replace them. They can break. And now we just want to pull this off. Pull it on down. this is what you need to make sure of, this little spring. Make sure the spring is in there before you insert it. That right there. So you got to put it inside. I'm going to show you. You just drop it in there. Drop it in. And then use your spark plug. That end of the spark plug. Push it up in there. Do it like that and just push it up. It'll go in. Get it in there like that. Cause you can see they got springs in here that's loose. So you gotta put it together. Just gotta replace it. Just like that. Alright, that's all 3 of them. We got all 6. Time to put the spark plugs in. Alright, we got our anti-seize on there. And that's it, man. I got everything hooked back up. Alright, done within an hour, man. That's why I be needing to take these videos, do little videos or whatever, just to prove that I did the work. Because people, they be wondering like, man, why they charge so much at the dealership, but you only charge this amount and you already done. Yeah, they just hold those cars, man.